First enter the background and click on Residential Proxies. Select the sub-account you wish to use. Select your desired country and region. Then select the hosting provider, city, and state. Select the proxy IP session type you need. Afterward, copy the corresponding proxy IP address, port, username, and password into GenLogin. Open the GenLogin browser, create a configuration file, and enter your name. Copy the corresponding proxy IP address, port, username, and password into it. After configuration, create the configuration file and finally open it.